If you're choosing a UI design tool in 2025, two of the biggest names are Figma and Adobe XD. Both let you design interfaces, prototypes, and collaborate with teams, but they take very different approaches. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that runs directly in your browser, making it incredibly easy to collaborate in real time. Multiple people can design, edit, and comment on the same file at once, just like Google Docs. It also has a massive plugin ecosystem and strong community support, which makes it very flexible for different workflows. The main advantages are real-time collaboration, cross-platform access, and a huge library of plugins and templates. However, it relies heavily on an internet connection, and large files can sometimes feel slower depending on performance. Adobe XD, on the other hand, is a desktop-first design tool that integrates deeply with the Adobe ecosystem. It's optimized for performance and works smoothly even with complex designs, especially when used alongside tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. It also offers solid prototyping features and voice interaction design. The strengths of Adobe XD are its speed, offline capability, and seamless integration with other Adobe apps. But it lacks the same level of real-time collaboration as Figma, and its plugin ecosystem and updates have slowed compared to its competitor. So which one is better? Choose Figma if you want the best collaboration experience, flexibility, and access from anywhere. Choose Adobe XD if you prefer a fast, offline workflow and already use Adobe's ecosystem. Bottom line, Figma is better for collaboration and modern workflows, while Adobe XD is better for performance and Adobe integration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.